ये जो मैंने बोर्ड पे लिखा ये आपने कई बार सुना होगा अपने सीनियर से जो कि क्लास 10 को पिछले साल पास किए थे या 2 साल पहले पास किए थे कि 10th क्लास के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स एक तरह से बिल्कुल फालतू हैं. दे आर अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. Okay, you would have heard many seniors saying that, right? That don't waste your time worrying about कि तुम्हारे 10th class exam results कैसे आएंगे. 10th class results marks nobody asks later on in life, so you can chill out. They are absolutely a waste of time. Don't work very hard. You would have heard many seniors saying that. Let me say this very clearly, very categorically today. Okay, there cannot be a bigger lie than this. ये सबसे बड़ा झूठ है कि 10th क्लास के आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स या आपकी जो यात्रा है, द जर्नी दैट यू हैव ड्यूरिंग क्लास 10 is a waste of your time and energy and effort. There cannot be a bigger lie like this than this. So if any senior comes to you and says class 10 board exams are a waste of time, tell him you are a liar. And I'm saying this very bluntly. I'm saying this very bluntly without mincing words, and I'll tell you exactly why they are not a waste of your time. Why they are not a waste of your time. Because when you get into class 10, so far your competition was within your class, within your school, maybe within your tuition group, within your neighborhood, but for the first time you're competing against everyone in the entire country. In a CBSE class, if you are a CBSE class 10 student, you are competing with 18 lakh other students. If you are an ICSE class 10 student, you are competing with 2 lakh other students. You are competing in an ocean. You are not just competing in the pond of your classroom or your tuition center anymore. That's what matters. You are suddenly into the big league. तो अगर आपको दिखाना है, अगर आप 60% से संतुष्ट हैं, if you are happy to get a 60 to 65, फिर तो कोई argument ही नहीं है. But if you are the type who wants to prove and say that I have fire in my belly, I have hunger for success, this is your big opportunity to show that you can actually do it. That when it comes to the big league, I can do it. Just imagine. अगर विराट कोहली ये बोले कि रणजी ट्रॉफी में खेलने से कोई फायदा नहीं है, सचिन तेंदुलकर बोलते कि मेरे को मुंबई में रणजी ट्रॉफी खेलने से कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ, शेफील्ड शील्ड टूर्नामेंट में खेलने से कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ, मेरे को इंडिया के लिए खेला, हाँ वो ठीक था, काइंड ऑफ थिंग. डू यू नो हाउ दे वुड प्ले इन बॉम्बे ड्यूरिंग द रेन्स? इन बॉम्बे देयर इज दिस वेरी फेमस टूर्नामेंट, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम, where they would actually play on the maidans in the rain, so that the ball would do all kinds of things. It would kind of jump into the mud, the water, the rain falling, and there the batsman would be tested in a very local tournament on the maidans of Mumbai city. That is where you hone your skills. Your 10th class is that. It's a test of your character कि आप में दम है क्या, कि आप बड़े स्टेज पर अपनी प्रतिभा को दिखा सकते हैं या नहीं. It's not about marks. It does not matter whether you got an 82% or a 96%. What matters is how much character you showed, how much hunger you showed in order to achieve that. What was your strategy? Whether you had the willpower, whether you had the mental toughness. I have seen students breaking down on the morning of the examination in class 10. I have seen that myself. So students, whether they have the courage to go and face saying that I can give my board examination, it's about how much you can take the pressure. You cannot do that straight away on the 12th class or the JEE or the NEET की. हाँ, NEET का जब मैं एग्जाम दूंगा तब मैं जाके अपने झंडे गाड़ूंगा, ये 10th क्लास सब बेकार है. ऐसा नहीं चलता है. If you are a mountaineer and if you aim to climb Mount Everest, क्या तुम बोलोगे मैं सीधा एवरेस्ट ही चढ़ूंगा, काइंड ऑफ थिंग? ऐसा नहीं चलता है बंधु. यू नीड टू गेट ट्रेन टू मेक योर बॉडी गेट यूज टू लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, टू क्लाइंबिंग, द क्लाइंबिंग ड्रिल, team spirit, how you will support other team members, right? How you would actually climb the rocks, how would you stay in tents. You need to do that practice by climbing smaller peaks, smaller mountains. क्या आप बोल सकते हैं एवरेस्ट चढ़ने के बाद कि जो छोटी जो पीक्स पर मैं चढ़ा था उससे कोई फायदा नहीं है? कैन पीवी सिंधु से दैट नेशनल चैंपियनशिप इन इंडिया आर ऑफ नो यूज, सिर्फ स्ट्रेट अवे ऑल इंग्लैंड एंड वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप ओनली आर इंपॉर्टेंट? नो, each one is a stepping stone to your success in life. Each one इज अ माइलस्टोन। जो आपके मार्क्स आए या आपका 10th क्लास आपने पास किया 2020 में, इट इज अ माइलस्टोन जो आपको 30 साल बाद भी याद रहेगा कि हां मैंने 10th क्लास में ये पास किया था। आपको जो आपने इतिहास में पढ़ा या फिजिक्स में पढ़ा या ज्योग्राफी में पढ़ा वो आपको याद नहीं हो सकता, दैट्स फाइन, but the fact is what lessons you learned from that journey of class 10, उससे आपने क्या सीखा कि क्या मैंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। And I'll tell you one more thing, I know it for a fact that during class 12, which is much more tough than class 10, obviously, उस समय पर काफी सारे डाउट्स आते हैं कि क्या मुझसे हो पाएगा या नहीं, कैन आई डू वेल इन क्लास 12। At that time, if you have done well in class 10 2 years ago, you can draw strength from how you did in class 10. कि मैंने 2 साल पहले I managed to do it with good, sharp, focused study for the last 6 months in class 10. जब मैं class 10 में कर सकता था, मैंने ये strategy अपनाई, मैं वही strategy को अभी class 12 में फिर से अपना सकता हूं, and again I can taste success. That is how your previous experience helps you taste success in the future. So anyone, and actually I'm saying it with a lot of anger, any student, any senior of you who tells you that class 10 board exams are a waste of your time, tell him not to waste your time by telling you all this. I'm being very serious about this. They do not understand the value of the experience. It is the experience which matters. It's not the marks which matter. I do agree, class 10 के marks को marksheet को कोई और देखता नहीं है, but what you learned from it is of much more value than any marks that you secured in class 10. Okay, in some universities they may even ask you for class 10. तब क्या कीजिएगा? हम मेरे तो तभी 59% ही आए थे भाई, ऐसा ही होगा, तब तो नहीं बोल सकते ना. So that is something very important. So please take care of your milestone and your first big test. एक और बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं. Value your time. I see so many students now saying, अरे मई में है बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, अभी तो बहुत टाइम है, थोड़ा और मस्ती कर लेते हैं. बाबू, you have been given a lifeline. ये केबीसी की लाइफलाइन की तरह है. यू हैव बीन गिवन ए लाइफलाइन. वैल्यू योर टाइम. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू थिंक एंड लुक एट द क्लॉक कि हाँ मैं बाद में पढ़ूंगा, मैं कल पढ़ूंगा, परसों पढ़ूंगा, एक हफ्ते बाद पढ़ूंगा, द टाइम इज नेवर गोइंग टू कम बैक. सो लर्न टू वैल्यू द टाइम. आप समय की महत्व को समझिए कि जो समय बीत गया वो वापस नहीं आएगा. सो वैल्यू योर टाइम. इफ यू वांट टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग इन लाइफ, डोंट से कि मैं बड़े एग्जाम पर ही मैं परफॉर्म करूंगा, छोटे एग्जाम पर परफॉर्म नहीं करूंगा. हर टेस्ट को, देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु डोंट टेक द प्री बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन सीरियसली. देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु डोंट टेक द मॉक टेस्ट फॉर जेईई नीट सीरियसली. Please take them seriously because each one of them is going to teach you a lesson कि यहां मेरी गलतियां हुई. Unless you know what are your mistakes in a practice game, एक बड़े टूर से पहले एक दो प्रैक्टिस गेम्स जो विजिटिंग क्रिकेट टीम है उसके लिए क्यों होती हैं? It is to get used to the conditions. आपके लिए भी वही है. You need to get used to the conditions कि क्या मैं इन एग्जाम कंडीशंस में परफॉर्म कर सकता हूं या नहीं. Unless you test yourself, you will never be able to do that. So value your time, value each and every test that is thrown at you. So please do not skip your pre-board examinations. I know many students who do that and you will only be hurting your own chances because सीधे के सीधा you cannot kind of jump into the ocean and say कि मैं वहां पर तैराकी कर लूंगा. No, even when you go to learn swimming, you do that in a limited area first, right? है ना? When you learn cycling the first time, your father or your brother or your sister holds you from the back just to kind of ensure that you don't fall down. These pre-boards, these mock tests are all that. You're testing yourself for heaven's sake. You're testing yourself and then you will go into the real thing when you will kind of say कि अब मैं cycling खुद ब खुद कर लूंगा या कर लूंगी. So I just wanted to say this. So please take this time seriously. You all are actually lucky. You're all lucky that you have got this extra time before the board examinations. You do not have an excuse now to perform poorly. So इधर उधर देखना बंद करो, अपने काम पर फोकस करो. Whether you are a class 10 student or a class 12 student, 11th class, of course, I don't need to tell you how important your class is because 11th class में हुआ, especially for science students, all that will come in handy in class 12. So don't think 11th class is a musty time. No, Babu. Once you are in that 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, you are in the serious zone. You need to show some seriousness towards your academics because all that has a bearing on what you become later on in life. I'm not saying that people who don't get very good marks don't become success stories. Of course they become. Of course they become. But this is a test of your personality, of your character and what you can possibly do. तो आपको ये टास्क दिया गया है बिग बॉस के घर पे, तो इस टास्क को अच्छी तरह से कीजिए ना. Okay, so I do hope I've got this message loud and clear to all my dear students. Thank you very much for watching.